Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome to our channel. It's your girl, Mandy. I know it's been a while since we done did an upload.
Baby's around, but he's not around. I got a new girl going on and everything.
So today, I have this package, Amazon package, and it's going to be an unboxing of a mini meal haul.
You alright?
Say you alright? Yep. I have this package right here. It says babe meal.
Babe meal.
Babe meal.
Babe meal.
30 plus 3 nail polish.
15 plus 15 nail polish.
Open this right quick. Strong package. Okay, they got the little nail art script thing. Got a total of 6 of them. We have the blue, red, gold, silver. This like an orange, goldish looking color as well. And the other one was purple. I got a DIY your own color stickers, which I will be using. So I can put the color on it. Some instructions.
Yeah, this is rough, y'all. Ever something.
I have some nail foil. 10 different designs. This is the first design. These are long. Fold it back up. Well, I'll get back to that. Another design. This one pretty. I like this too. I like all of them so far. If you don't know, my favorite color is blue, so everything in here is just about blue. All of these foils have some blue in it. I think we had another one of these.
We have some nail stickers.
I don't know if y'all can read that, but it's 16 different grips or whatever. Papers or whatever. 16 different papers with designs on it. Y'all see that? I like this. It's very creative. This one probably my favorite one so far. I see that one say birthday and everything. I think I showed that one already. Yep, I did. Another one of my favorites. This one has some good stuff too. Most of it is white, so you can barely see it. Those are the stickers. I also have this stamp. The stamp and a scraper. With some designs for it. The different designs. And some gems. They look like they're 3 different sizes. Supposed to be 360 total. So back to this nail polish. This is the first thing. I'm gonna swatch these colors. Oh, the first one is white. 301. 302 is like a soft pink. I'm trying to get y'all to see that color. Well, actually, the colors are already there. This 303.
Let me make sure.
Yep. It's 303. So I don't need this. 304 is another purple shade. 305 look like a tan looking color. No, it's like yellowish. 306, this bold yellow. It's a pretty color. 307, like another soft pink. It looks the same color, but I'm pretty sure it's this. 308, it's like a nude pink. 309 look grayish, bluish. 310, it's like a mint green. There's more. This one is a glossy top. This one has the glossy top with it. This one has the base coat. 311 looks grayish, bluish as well, but it's more like baby blue. 312 is blue with, I'm assuming, some glitter. Yes. 313 is green. Look more like olive green. It's not showing like on the camera as I see it in person. 314 is another green. It's more of a forest green. 315 is another blue. It's a brighter blue with the glitter. 16 is a purple. 317 is a darker purple. 318 is a darker purple. 319 is purple with glitter. 320 is like mahogany color. And the last one is with the matte coat. 321 is like burgundy. 322 is like oranges with glitter, but it's red. 323 is this orange color. 324 is like a tan. And 325 is red, orange. This is 324 right here. 325, it's like red, orange. 326 is gray. 327, it looks silver with glitter, but it's gold with glitter. 328, I'm assuming is silver with glitter. Yes, it's silver with glitter. 329 is like a dark gray. I don't know, it's giving me brown vibes. Grayish, brownish. And the last color is 330. And of course, this is black. So that's all the nail art that I got. I will be doing my nails soon, so you guys can see how they come about. Do y'all see this new grow? All this hair just coming out of these braids.
What you saying?
So that's all I have. We are coming back, you guys, with new and better content. So don't forget to stay tuned. Hit that like button, click that subscribe button, and comment down below. And your girl is